Hello everyone. Recently, I came to know about one case where Google Merchant Center account was suspended due to copyrighted material used on online store, and you can see that Merchant Center suspension due to DMCA. So DMCA says that Digital Millennium Copyright Act. So this website owner has used some of the copyrighted content from other brand in his own store, and this copyrighted content may be related to images or text or some policy information. So his account was suspended in the month of January, and he says that I already submitted an appeal on January 26, 2025, but I keep receiving the same email. So from this message you can see that he has already applied for multiple times to recover his Google Merchant Center account. So Google may have put his account under cooldown period also. So he was little bit frustrated and asking how much time it will take to recover this account. So if you are applying for Google Merchant Center review multiple times, then your cooldown period time will be higher for next Google review process. And uh, some after applying for 3 to 4 times, you will not able to see an option to review your Google Merchant Center account, because you have not worked on the problems, you have not fixed the errors in your Google Merchant Center and website also. That's why Google permanently disable review option in your Google Merchant Center account. So if you have faced DMCA related policy suspension in your Google Merchant Center accounts, then what you need to do is you need to review policies of Google, what kind of policies Google has made to sell products on Google's platform. So you need to review policy of Google's very deeply, and then you need to find out which content is violating DMCA copyright issue. And this content may be related to your product description, product title and images also. And you can check your policy pages also for any copyrighted content in your online store. And after finding all these copyrighted content, you need to remove all those copyrighted content, or you can alter the product information, which is product title, product description, and maybe some policy information which may contain copyrighted item. So after finding out the copyrighted item, you need to remove them. And after removing them, you need to put those actions in a proper documentation. You can put those documentation in PDF or image format. Then you need to submit those documents to Google support team, and then you can apply for account recovery. So before appealing for account review, you need to make all the required changes. You need to remove all the copyrighted material on your website which are violating policies of Google and which is related to DMCA policy violation. So after this way, you can resolve DMCA suspension in your Google Merchant Center account. And this DMCA suspension mostly relates to your website and your products also. So after resolving this issue, you will be able to get back your Google Merchant Center account approved, and you can run shopping ads and promote products through free listing. So if you are not able to resolve this issue by your own, then you can also contact us. We will help to find out copyrighted content in your store, and then we will move to recover your account with Google support team, and we can guide you to create proper documentation for all kind of changes which you will be doing on your website and in Google Merchant Center account also. So you can contact us. Our number is provided in channel banner and video description also. Thank you. And if you have any other issues related to Google Merchant Center misrepresentation, website needs improvement, then you can also contact us for that. Thank you.